the fast-paced world of consumer electronics, customers demand new features and exceptional quality. Every component must meet the highest standards. Acoustic testing plays a critical role in this process. Whether you're an audio brand designing the next innovation or a manufacturer producing devices on a large scale, trust, precision, and reliability are non-negotiable. Microphones with EQset technology are designed to empower engineers and manufacturers alike. EQset technology uses built-in digital signal processing, ensuring fixed sensitivity and flat frequency response across all frequencies with tight tolerances. For audio brands, EQset ensures every product meets strict quality standards, protecting your reputation and building trust. For manufacturers, EQset guarantees consistent results across all locations, reducing variability caused by environmental factors. With plug-and-play simplicity and minimal downtime, EQset eliminates costly recalibrations, keeping production on schedule with unparalleled accuracy. Whether you're fine-tuning designs or testing the final product, EQset ensures quality assurance across locations, eliminates downtime to keep production running, and safeguards your brand reputation. EQset microphones. Measure with confidence. Deliver with excellence. Learn more about the next generation of production line microphones at grasacoustics.com/EQset.